Why America is the richest country in the world? Because most of the Indians, talented, very smart, intelligent people are working for America. And most of them are Indians. That is true. They are in Amazon, Apple, NASA, IBM, you name the company. You will going to find Indians. All the talented Indians, they are working for them. Okay, America is having a GDP of $44 trillion and we India are having a GDP of $3 trillion, and every year they are growing at the rate of more than 10%. Okay, so every year they are adding $4 trillion. Happy Independence Day to USA. Now, why America is so rich? Again, this question is very important. Why Elon Musk shifted from South Africa to US? Why Jeff Bezos, owner of Amazon, shifted from Australia to US? Why so many people are registering their business in US? And why so many Indians are working over there, especially all the intelligent and master of their skills? The saddest thing about this is we all Indian are working there. The people who ruled us, they were very successful in breaking our education system. No one is teaching us how to do business. I'm in this training industry from last 15 years and I have been experiencing that people are doing MBA engineering and they are asking me, sir, suggest us any course that what we will going to do. After doing MBA, after doing engineering, after doing BTech, MTech, even the postgraduates were still asking me that, sir, suggest us any course that will give us a job. Is it that so? Ask your great grandparents or just do a research. We all were businessmen. But successfully they broken our belief system, that is our education system, and all this education system is teaching us how to get a job. But very few people understand this. If you want to be rich, you have to start your business. Why these people are doing business, whoever people are doing business, why they are doing? Because they know to become a rich, the fastest way, start your business. Everyone is working for a businessman. If India wants to become rich, we need businessmen. We need those talented people. We need those businessmen who can afford this talent which is going outside our country. But why they are rich? Because they are doing business. And most of the smartest Indians, they are working for them. That is the difference. Tell me the name of one person who is having a big industry and he is an owner over there in US. Famous personality. We got the independence from the same people. And they really successful in breaking our education system. They taught whole world that how to get a job. And very few people know how to start their business. If you really want to learn how to start your business, how to grow, how to become rich, how to make lots of money, and if you want more ideas, inspiration, motivation, and guidance, then join this Facebook group. You will going to find the invitation link in the description of that Facebook group. Please join that if you really want to grow. This is Yogesh Bagul and thank you.